This time I will show you how to automate center marks. If we evaluate a curve in a certain point, the center point will tell us the location which the curve curves around. This might be used if you have a steel plate which has a fillet on it. So the fillet piece here revolves around this center point. You can create these in Grasshopper by using the Centermark component. It has 4 inputs and 4 outputs. You can pass center marks through it. You can connect an annotation dimension settings component to edit the center mark size and type. The other 2 inputs are curve and a parameter. You have to assign a parameter in which you will evaluate the curvature. It is useful to reparameterize the curve input. As an output, you will get a center point and a radius as a number. Here is an example script. I have the Centermark component here. I am querying curves layer from Rhino and connecting this to the curve input and reparameterizing the curves. I am creating a series of parameters and I'm using annotation dimension settings to edit the center marks. Now as I start drawing on Rhino, I start getting the center marks for all the curves that are on the curves layer. I can now adjust the size, and if I want the connection lines to show or not. Here we can notice that the center mark always aligns towards the parameter point. If I add multiple parameters, all the center lines will point towards the parameter that they represent. If you are unsure of which direction your curve is pointing, you can use a point list to show from where your parameters start from. I have also added annotation dots to show the exact radius values on demand.